Hey guys, it's me, it's Franny, your Bill Bestie, and it is my second to the last day here in Bangkok. However, I spent most of it waiting for my hostel, yung sa check-in, kasi it's 2 PM pa. So, right now it's already 3, magpo-4 na, kakalabas ko lang. So, I am here at Asok Station. Ayan, I'm waiting for some Filipino BL fans din, na friends natin, and we are going to Central World. So that. Hello! BL Bestie! Hey guys, it's me, it's Franny, your BL Bestie, and this is our last day here in Thailand, and we are going to the filming location of Jack and Joker. Ayan, so if you are a BTS girly and you are near the Payatay Station, ayan, Payatay Station, you just have to go to the airport link. Ayan, so doon tayo sasakay, airport link, and then going to Huamak, and then from Huamak, we're going to transfer to Yellow Line, going to Silam. Is that correct? Silam, yeah. And then from Silam, we're just going to walk to the filming location of Jack and Joker. But if your BTS station is near the Udom Sok BTS station, you can take that and then get off at the Udom Sok BTS station, and then from there you can take a bus going to BS Bangna Square. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, those are your options. Hey guys, so nakababa na tayo ng Huamak Station, and then now we're going to walk papunta sa Yellow Line or sa Yellow MRT Line, sa Huamak Station or sa Tanakan Station. Ayan. Ayan guys, so Siam pala, Siam, hindi pala Silam. Ayan guys, so para ma-figure out nyo kung paano kung anong platform yung sasakyan nyo, ayan, so hanapin nyo lang to. Ayan, so pupunta ako sa Siam. So at nasa Huamak tayo, diba? So ayan. Ayan, so si Siam is nandiyan siya. So check nyo yung dulong station to Samrong. So doon tayo sa platform na pa Samrong, which is this one, Samrong. Ayan, so dito tayo. Parang ang bago ng yellow train nila, ng yellow line nila. Ay, may paharap siya. May paharap siya din. Bago yung train nila sa yellow line. Ang ganda. Ang luwag. Sabi ng guard, exit number 3 daw yung lalabasan natin. So, let's go. Guys, so susundan nyo lang si Google Maps. So, galing ako doon. Naglakad lang ako. Tapos ito, tatawid ako here. Basta sundan nyo lang yung sa Google Map. Guys, feeling ko ito na siya. Or hindi pa. Pero ito yung facade kasi nung mga buildings. Kung sa tenement dun sa Jack and Joker. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura ng facade ng mga building eh. Alright guys, so I think I found it. Filming location of Jack and Joker. Ito yung hagdan na yun. Oh my god. Ayan, so sakto, yung pinakita kong building kanina, yun siya mismo. So pagbaba mo ng footbridge, ayan, lakad ka ng konti, tapos pasok ka dito sa may waiting shed. And then this is the stairs na. Ayan. Guys, I found it. Ayan, ito yung community. Oh my god, I found it, guys. Shucks, dito sila nagduyan. Dito nagduyan ng Jack at Joker Bay. Oh my god, ito yun. Shucks. Shucks, ang init. Ang init po. I found that! Guys, we also found yung ginamit nila as office ni Rose. Ayan, tapos parang mini school ni Jack dito, di ba? Guys, dito sila naglandian. Charot. Ayan, dito naglandian si Jack at si Joker. So from the playground, punta kayo here. Ayan. So feeling ko ito na yung tama. So feeling ko mas ito nga siya, guys. Mas ito siya kasi ito yung blue na hagdan. Mas ito siya compare dun sa isa. Ayan, mas ito siya. Shucks, mas ito. Oh my god. Hey Bill Besties! So we're finally at the right filming location of Jack and Joker. So the clue is itong mga parang mini playground na ito. Ayan. So nakita siya sa background ni Lapi Jenny nung episode 2 nung tinataguan nila si Jack. Ayan. So ito siya. Finally, we got the right one. Ang dami kong trial and error kanina na video doon kasi ang daming gantong mukhang hagdan na ganito. Mukhang hagdan naman talaga siya. Ang daming hagdan na mukhang ganito, like lahat siya. So ito ay parang mga pang-5. Ayan, pang-5 or pang-6, pang-7, ganyan. Basta lagpas pa dun sa community playground na dinaanan natin kanina. But finally, this is it. Ayan. Besties! Oh my god, we also saw yung bahay or yung unit ni Tattoo. Ayan, so if you can remember sa episode 2, ayan. Ito yung shot ni Yin dyan, ano. Yan, kasama yung background ng dahon-dahon ng saging na yan. Ayan, and then, katabi niyan is of course yung unit na ninakaw ni Joke. Oh my god. Perfect. I'm so sorry. Tishan tam de kani. Tang tishan gurai tam matorai. Gian tam tahi si sorry. Hey guys, so we are currently at Usasawat Bridge and I am not sure if you can recognize, but this is used sa Love in the Big City. Ayan. So, if you remember that scene of Gyuho and Yong, ayan, doon sila nabot ng ulan, tumakbo papunta doon sa bridge na yon. Papunta doon sa bridge na yon kung saan nahiga si Gyuho. Ayan. So, we're going there. Guys, eto na. This is the bridge kung saan nahiga si Gyuho and si Yong. Ayan. Kaya hindi na makakahiga kasi may mga sasakyan. Tsaka hindi umuulan. But this is it. Diyan sa spot na yan mismo sila nahiga. Oh my god. That spot. Love in the Big City. We deserve a season 2. Charis! Ayan. Guys, gusto kong mag-video doon na sarado yung mga tindahan. So, isang store na lang yung yung may tao pa. Ayan na yung naglilinis sila tatay. Ayan. So, feeling ko maya wala na sila dyan. Kaya, bala kang bumalik. So, for the meantime, nagugutom ako. Try natin kumain dito. Parang keri-keri naman dito kumain, no? Guys, look where I am going to eat at. So it's by the riverside. So guys, this is our food for today. So we have duck with rice. This is my first time eating or trying duck meat. And then pad thai. And then we have Coke. Ayan. And we are at the riverside. So first time eating duck meat. So ito mo lang patay natin. Parang sa chicken. Okay. Guys, we're going home.